Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Sunday. Um I hope your weekend was great to you. I had a really, really great time. Had a photo shoot. It's really fun. Yeah, but we are back to normal. Um, got one more week of events, and I would be very grateful to get some rest. So for those who do not know me, my name is Ramira, aka Merida Goddess 22. You can find me on all of your social media platforms. 29 years old, stay at home mom to three wonderful boys, and I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. So today we are actually going over the Sunday market review on what's going on in our markets, or what I anticipate or what may happen. Even though I do put in place out analysis of what I think may happen, the market still will do what she wants to do because she is always in control. All right. All right. So first, before we go into our charts, I want to go over the news and what's coming up for this current week. Sunday, we have no orange or red folder news. Monday, we are clear selling, and it looks like, not looks like, their CAD is actually going to be closed, Canadian dollar, because there's a bank holiday. So Tuesday we actually have a lot of news that is taking place starting at 3:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with the Euro, GBP, USD, and then followed by that afternoon NZD news. So that's going to be very exciting. Um, I need to, yeah. So sorry, Wednesday, we have some news as well, GBP, Euro, and some USD news at 10 and 2 p.m. Thursday, 8:30, we'll have some USD news, 10 a.m. USD news, 7:30 p.m. JPY news on Thursday. Friday, GBP and USD news on Friday as well. So that's what to expect in the market. Also, I still do recommend that you go to Forex Factory throughout the week because sometimes these news events can definitely change. Sometimes they pop up, sometimes they add more news. So even though you don't have to check it daily, I still recommend to check it daily or every so often throughout the week. All right, so let's talk, y'all. Let's talk. Let's clear up some of this stuff too. But so Euro USD, y'all. Guess what she did? She finally hit our CP. She actually hit our CP on Thursday from our longest trade that we had, 228 pips in the bag, and we got another entry as well, 89 pips in the bag. She hit our daily support and resistance, and look what she's doing. Looks like she's going up right now. She may be doing like a little retracement, but yeah, she followed it to the T. Um, so we do have a. This is on the daily time frame. Hold on, let me look at the week right quick. So I feel like this was all the retracement here. This is all the ABC retracement. She may come up a little bit to retrace from this, but I think she may be ready to start selling. But we shall definitely see. Um, this was just a setup just in case she did continue to fall, but I didn't take that trade or anything because I just left it. All right, so but followed with what's going on. Wednesday's previous candle, it was a bearish candle right here. But on a daily time frame, we have a bullish from Rami. We at a daily support and resistance level, so I definitely see some retracement that may be happening throughout the week, and we can get a better entry. But probably risk the reward to sell again, but we definitely will see. And we look on the 4 hour time frame, see where we could probably put our fields from. I'm going to clear out some of this stuff, guys, since we did win the trade. Um, Even if we need to put a field from our daily time frame, so right here, I could see that happening. Here's our 50%. I don't know if she will get into our 60%. We'll see what happens. Then probably will get to our 60%. We still have a 2 over 2 and 1 risk to reward ratio, risking 59 pips for 150 pips. Uh, let's see. Even if we do it like this. Wait, let's see something. I probably like that field from the daily time frame as of right now. Um, because we do have the option to be able to fill from either here, right here, right here, or maybe right here. I want to see how far back she can be able to retrace. And then with the news on Tuesday, we could definitely see what happens. But I do not recommend to counter trend trade, being that this may be just a retracement. But I do see not a short position. I see the long position. But I will still also wait. So a couple of things before, if I do get into this trade, it's a couple of things that I will want to wait for. So for support and resistance here, I'll put my stop loss right here. That's actually a 2 and 1. Still good risk to reward ratio. But so we kind of missed the entry on the 4 hour time frame. So here we have a bullish engulfing that is taking place. Also, this looks like a continuation pattern. Also with a possible head and shoulder. So she may come down a little bit more and then continue and go up. Don't know if we will hit this, but we will definitely see. So a couple of things that I look for if I do get into a counter trend trade, I will want to see price actually breaks the structure before going up, and this would be the previous structure that she would need to break. That's on a 4 hour time frame. Let me go down to a 1 hour time frame. So she still hasn't really broken any. She broke it here. All right, she broke it from here, um, made some retracement, and it came up, but she can easily turn around. I would want to see her break all of this if I do get into something. If you want to counter trend trade, but it's something I do not recommend. Um, so definitely enter at your own risk. But what I see so far in the market of what may happen this week, she's just doing some retracement up, and then we are going to wait to get into a good sell-off position because I really feel like she may sell off. Um, this was just all a retracement. Um, okay. Sorry, we do not talk about US 30. We do not talk about NAS and nasty NAS. SPX. All right, so USD JPY. Uh-oh. And I'm sorry if you hear the background. My baby is here. I got him quiet for a little bit. All right, so we are in a position with the USD JPY. I really feel like I want her to feel this weekly void. I know I've been talking about this for the longest. I want her to feel this weekly void, guys, and then we could be ready to sell off. Um, so that's what I'm still. That's on the weekly time frame. We have a big bullish pattern right here on a daily time frame. So that's what I am expecting. I do expect that it goes down a little bit before it goes up. Um, so if we are gonna feel, we're feeling from the daily time frame, and even with that, being that we hit our no. So I want to. It's gonna be a steep retracement. This is still on a daily time frame, as well. But I want her to come to this 50 to 60 percentile. Also, we have a 4 hour support and resistance right there. Yes. Uh-oh. It's okay. Let me clear up some of these things for us. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got some more? I shouldn't have brought him up, right? Now he want to steal the show. So we want good risk to reward ratios, right? So we just need to see when that retracement is done, from selling off, and then she can continue to buy. Let me just look on a 4 hour time frame, because what could definitely happen, she could easily just continue to play around here, and this becomes now a support level. She did break through, but she could easily come back from this orange line that I have here, our daily support and resistance. She could make this now a support and then go up, or she may pull back a little bit and then go up. So that's what we're waiting on. I don't, however, feel like she will get down to this 50%. If she does, then we could be able to catch her. Um, went during the retracement, if you do retracements. But yeah, same thing. I still see buys on Euro. I'm not Euro. GBP, USD. This is a 4 hour time frame. I really feel like she'll get to the 61% first before she finish taking off. And then look, oh my gosh, hold on. Yeah, and this may be a steep retracement. Let me just show y'all what I see right here. Let me take this off. So yes, we did make like a W pattern, and she did go up, but she it's like a resistance right here, and I'm gonna mark her up on our next time, because right now, baby boy is not having it. Um, But it's like some type of resistance that's taking place right here that she's not trying to break. Also, this looks like a possible information as well. We were talking about um, how to trade those fake outs and have better entries. So I definitely see her. She could easily pull back from here to the 50 to 61%, or if we do it from here from the whole actual trend itself, she could pull back some more, guys, before going up. Yeah. You say hello? And let's make it a 2-1 just in case she gets back down. Because UBP likes to get down to the 61 uh, percent. And there's our 2-1 before she continues to go up. USD CAD. I still see buys. It's a little crazy right now, though. Let me just clear out some of these things for us, because I know it kind of look ugly. Because I don't like all this. As we can see, she's been ranging. She may pull back down on a weekly time frame into this 50 to 60 percent. I'm actually going to change that. So she may do a little sell off before continuing to go up again. But we're waiting for to continue with the trend. Even if we put it right here, where she hit the 50%. I like that. That's better. And even if we just take it to right here, we're still in the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio just in case she wants to fall down. I'm just waiting for a great on CAD swoosh rate. We were waiting for, and then also the banks are closed tomorrow for CAD, so she may not move. She make a solid day, but we're waiting for an entry to buy her up. Look, yeah, I still see one more buy up before she wants to sell down again. DSY. I'm gonna hold out on the DSY because maybe she will continue the sell pattern, but we would definitely see. It's a lot of news that's happening in the market, but she does look like she is repeating herself. It may be time to finally repeat herself. Almost close to that 50%, 50 to 61% sound range. I mean, little area. Ooh, it's gonna look really spicy. what's going on with GM. Just retracement. Yeah, retracement for the sale. It's on a weekly time frame. We got a bearish engulfing. It's maybe a great entry actually for a sale. Alright, GBP USD. Just waiting for that confirmation. We have a bearish engulfing here actually. So even if you put our to enter right here, that'd be cool. Just take it to right here before the structure breaks. Still over to the one risk to reward ratio. Alright, so that's what we see. Hmm. Will she fall? She still is going up. GE may be ready to fall versus what EU is doing. She probably need to retrace a little bit more. Yeah, but she's making lower lows at this current moment. Um, just waiting. So she's going up, just waiting for her to fall. You can get tagged in. Let's probably let me know that UJ probably won't fall that much. We should see if she's going to continue her pattern to go down or if she's going to be ready to finish going up. But today is only Sunday, so we will see what happens. I'll be back on Wednesday. Also, follow me just in case I throw out any trades that I see or anything that I see that may be coming up. We have our alert set. Basically, gonna put my alert right here. Um, that's what price is actually. So this will be a better entry versus coming right here. If she does, then we just need to find our next entry point. That's still a 2-to-1 risk reward just in case she wants to come back. Yeah. All right. So that's what I have so far in the market. Just to recap of what I see. Euro USD, she needs to get some retracement going. Maybe we could be able to get a retracement. I do definitely don't recommend to counter trend trade. But if you see a good setup, a good risk to reward, definitely take it. Not saying this may be it because she can continue to fall, especially with this pattern, this red pattern right here. So we shall see. But I do see overall sales for Euro USD. Just need a retracement that may take place, and then on Tuesday maybe she would actually make her move because this is like a bearish kind of engulfing here. This may be just a retracement of today before she still off. Oh wait, that was zero. We still see retracements. That was US 30. Yeah. USD JPY retracement before going up. So right now, going up before sale. Retracement going down before going up, which is supposed to be opposite of each other. Retracement going down before going up. Was Now she may pull back even more a little bit with GJ. But we maybe to the 700 area. Really cool, guys. So we shall see. USD CAD. What we see on USD CAD? possible sell down before going up before sell off, which which what we want to see, and then we're just waiting at this point. So sit on your hands, wait. Let's see what the DXY does. Also, look at your news as well. Major news is happening Tuesday. Um, yeah. That's all I have for you guys. My name. Make sure you follow me on all of your social media platforms. Merida Goddess 22, and make RTHEGOD, which is one D. I know, ESS and two number twos. On all your social media platforms, or also you can follow me on YouTube. If you can't follow me on Merida Goddess by typing in my YouTube, you can be able to just type in my real name here. Yeah. See you guys later. And I hope you guys have a profitable week. Oh, wait, before I go, guys, we got one more week before I close the submissions. Um, to just to help my 5 to 7 women out. I have a couple more spots left before we start gearing up, but this will be the last week. I know we got the next week coming up. It start on the first, but this is my last week taking submissions, so that way I can do my introductions for next week, and we can start being prepared for what's gonna happen in June. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great one. I will see y'all later. Um, y'all have a great week. Goodbye.